In this short video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT to write product descriptions and make your life 1,000 times easier. Now, the first method I want to show you is only for items that are unique to your business and that are not mainstream or available anywhere else. So let's just say that you have the specifications for glasses and you want ChatGPT to come back to you with the creative side of the copy for the product description. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to write a product description based for glasses. Here's the information I'd like to include: size large, frame shape rectangle, material metal. Click enter, and in a few seconds ChatGPT is going to come back to me with a really nice and engaging and easy to read product description that I can use right off the bat. Now, if you don't like what it says, you can just click regenerate response here, and it's going to basically take the input that you put here and it's going to reword it in an entirely different way. You can do that as many times as you want. There are no limits. Now, let's just suppose that this is exactly what we're looking for, so I can jump right into the second method. Let's say that you're selling an item that other people are selling and you really like the product description that you're using, but you don't want to copy it because you want to make it unique. So I found this website here that's selling glasses and I found a really nice product description. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to basically just reword it. Reword the above. There we go. Literally copied it into ChatGPT and asked it to reword it. So what it's going to do is take into consideration every little detail in this product description, spin the content, and come back to you with a unique piece of content that you can just use. Now, when it comes to the third method, this only works for mainstream products. So let's just say that you're selling TVs or mobile phones or consoles or anything of that nature. This method will not work if you're selling mugs, bottles, lamps, radiators. Unless they're super mainstream, this method will not work. So let's just say we want to sell a PlayStation 5 and we want ChatGPT to come up with a super unique and engaging product description. All right, and engaging product description for a PS5. The reason why this method doesn't work for desks, lamps, wardrobes, radiators, or anything of that nature is because ChatGPT doesn't have that information available. When it comes to the PlayStation 5, it knows what it is because it's exactly the same item, no matter if it's sold in America, China, or anything like that. If you are selling a niche item, use the first method. Simply provide the specifications that you want ChatGPT to take into consideration, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please do hit a like down below and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please let me know and I'll be more than happy to help.